Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use Canva for thumbnail design. Here are the steps to use Canva for thumbnail design. First is to open your web browser, like Google Chrome. Then go to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account or sign up using Google, Facebook, or email. Once logged in, click the search bar at the top of the Canva homepage. Type YouTube thumbnail and press enter to see pre-sized templates. Choose a template that fits your style or click create a blank YouTube thumbnail to start from scratch. So I choose to create a blank one. On the left panel, click uploads to add your own images or screenshots for the thumbnail. Drag and drop the uploaded image onto the canvas, then resize to fit and to position it. Once done, drop click to save its size and position. Click text on the left sidebar to add titles or captions. Use bold fonts for visibility. Use the Elements tab to insert icons, shapes, or effects for extra design flair. Adjust the colors, background, filters, etc. using the toolbar above the canvas to make it eye-catching. When done, click the Share, then Download button at the top right. Choose JPG or PNG. Then click Download to save your thumbnail. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.